Alright everybody, I'm going to show you one simple and effective exercise using a band to help with range of movement. I'm just over 3 weeks post full knee replacement, so this can also help as well, especially if you've lost that range of movement after an accident, etc., because I know this would have been helpful on the original break I did. Okay, so handle on, back to front, and what you're going to do is, I just do some nice bends first, just to start moving through that leg, and then just hop over with my good leg, bend down, pull it up to as much flexion as you've got. Now, like I said, I'm 3 weeks post here, and then what I do is, I push against it. Once I've got up to that kind of 6 to 7 pain threshold range, so push against it, and then it'll bounce in. And then I try and pull it up a bit more, so push against it and see it comes in. Trying to keep the knee in the same place, so you're not just doing this because that's not doing anything. That's actually a good quad stretch. So I'm just going to hold it there. That feels really good. So I'm kind of pushing a little bit against the handle. Feel a better quad stretch. And then I'm going to try keep my knee still and creep up that band a little bit more. And some push against, a little bit of resistance. That's about as far as I want to take it at the moment, so I'll just rest, hold. I just do this once a day, the last couple of days. See how you go. Good luck, everyone.